Be like.
Three.
I'm choking. That's why they're wrong.
It's counting.
Maybe it's about 30 seconds delayed too, so.
It's the Auckland Bridge. 31, 29, 28, 27, 26, 24. Did you see me there? Wait.
I look to the bridge. 8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh,
4.
I just asked you if you see me there.
3,
I was like
3,
this.
2, 1. Here it is. 7. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Okay. Here is yours. Happy New Year. Happy 2021.
Happy New Year. That was all.
Together again. This is the
I thought I was going to trip on this.
this is the sky
Tower.
Sky Tower in Auckland City.
Oh.
And this is the Auckland Bridge between the west and the north.
What happened to the picture stuck?
No! There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna go and sit down now.
Even the bridge is getting
Sound. Wow, amazing. Can you just have a look if it looks okay there? This? Okay. Can you see me?
Oh, but you have to duck down. All the Asia food. Just foods.
What? Foods?
Can't see your face.
What? Can see my face just like that.
That's better. But you're all dark. How'd you put the light on?
How come that? How come that it's like that?
Oh, it's just a signal.
Their signal. So you can see it's my not my face. Oh my god. Oh yeah, because it's close up.
Yeah.
So I just ruin it. Happy New Year! Wow! Sky Tower is doing great. Wow, look at that. Look at the Auckland Harbor. Auckland City. Amazing.
Last year there was a cruise ship in the middle of the harbour.
Yay! Got all my coins. Amazing. The Auckland Bridge. Wow. Happy New Year. I said Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all my coins. Can you see it? Happy New Year.
A massive happy
All
New Year
my
to everybody
coins.
around Aotearoa. What an evening/afternoon it's been down here. We
Yes.
in Tamaki Makaurau. Quite special, I think, for so many reasons, just to be here.
Look, we are the envy of the world. We are all out and about celebrating, and that is more than we can say for a lot of places around the world. So we feel pretty lucky, right?
I was a little bit nervous to see how the public would come out and sort of embrace this, but you saw, you talked to so many people, we got through. Kiwis can do, that attitude shone through and was on display tonight, much like that decent fireworks.
Absolutely, that's 500 kgs of fireworks right there. But absolutely, the resilience that we've shown this year, and look forward to an amazing 2021.
Probably official on my behalf to you, my friend. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We made it.
Happy
What a
New
year.
Year to you.
Happy New
See
Year.
you in 2021.
Yes. Officially 2021.